everybody, welcome to the XUCPA channel. We're very happy to see you. For those of you who have suffered a winter storm, we hope that you have fared well. And today our topic is PPP, because as of yesterday, President Joe Biden has just announced that there will be funding catered and targeted towards helping very small businesses, meaning employers with less than 20 employees. So today, we want to focus on some of the common questions that we have received from a lot of business owners with regards to PPP, so please stay tuned. Joining me is Hugh Nguyen. He's actually the team lead for our PPP team. We actually have dedicated PPP team to help business owners, because we understand that during this time, since pandemic till right now with the winter storm, a lot of you are suffering in terms of cash flow or your business, and that's why we dedicate resource to really specifically help business owners to obtain funding. So some of the common questions we're going to go through, but before that, I'm going to get Hugh to say hello.
Hello everyone, my name's Hugh. I'm part of the XQCPA PPP team. So what is PPP?
Paycheck Protection Program. What does that mean? So this is an effort from the government funded through SBA to help business owners to fund your paycheck. What does that mean? To encourage you not to fire or let your employees go because your business has slowed down, to continue to hire your employees and keep them, and so that they do not become unemployed. Can I use PPP to pay contractors?
No. Contractors are not allowed in the PPP payroll costs, so they'll have to apply themselves if they're self-employed.
Third question. A business owner asks, I do not have 25% revenue reduction. I think that's for PPP 2, but have never received PPP 1, so can I still apply?
Yes, if you never got the first PPP and you don't meet the 25% reduction, you're still eligible for the first PPP, first draw.
If you want to know more, please watch this particular video that Hugh talked about the first draw. Question number 4. I have losses in 2020 as a partnership. Am I eligible for PPP? So this is, I guess, a question for owners of partnership.
Yes, so for owners, if you have a loss on your K1 line 14A, I believe you're still eligible for the PPP through your payroll cost system, because it does include your employees' payroll costs as well as your payroll costs in the payroll system.
Some people ask us whether payroll cost is calculated on net or gross.
Yes, a lot of common business owners ask this questions a lot. It should be the gross amount of your payroll.
I'm an S corporation, but I've never issued payroll to myself, so am I eligible to apply?
No, you have to have a payroll system through an S corporation. That's the only way you can calculate your payroll costs.
So in terms of payroll costs, can you also share with us about a limit? So I believe that the payroll cost has a limitation, so you want to talk about that?
Yes, so the limitation per individual is $100K for cash compensation. However, for non-cash compensation such as employers, retirement benefit, health insurance, as well as state and local taxes, you're actually able to add that on top of the 100K limit. So you can actually get a little bit more if you actually add that, if you do have that on your payroll reports.
Okay, so the next question is, what is NAICS code? So I guess this is a question that business owners would ask, because when you fill out the form or when you go into your bank's portal, they always ask you, it's part of the question, that what is the NAICS code of your business?
Yes, the NAICS code is your business industry type. So it's just a code to figure out your business industry type. You're able to figure this out through your business tax form.
Okay, so what are some of the most common documentation you will need to apply for PPP loan application? This question is important for all of you who actually want to take advantage of this funding that President Joe Biden has just announced yesterday. So you might want to already get all the documentation prepared, so that when the portal opens and when the opportunity comes, you can apply right away.
Yes.
So you want to share about what documentation they need to already be preparing?
Yes. So I feel like this question is the most important, given the fact that Joe Biden has provided only 2 weeks, unless he does change that. But in order to prepare and start applying today, you should gather your 941s, your 940s, your TWCs, a proof of documentation that you were in operation on February 15th of 2020 through a bank statement, payroll statement that shows that you were in operation as long as you have activities, and as well as a tax form depending on which payroll costs you're using, whether it's 2019 or 2020. So I would gather all those documentation ahead of time.
Okay, PPP forgiveness. So this is not about a session about forgiveness, but it's about application. But there's a lot of questions from business owners. If I receive the funds, how fast do I have to finish using the funds? You want to talk about that?
Yes, so the default tip period is the 24 weeks for the covered period. But if you did receive your first draw of PPP before June, I believe June 4th of 2020, you are eligible to use the 8 weeks period. If not, you're defaulted to the 24 weeks. After that, you have 10 months to apply for the forgiveness after the covered period.
So the short answer to you, if this is confusing, is that once you get the money from PPP, once you get approved, please use it to pay your employees as soon as possible and you will be good. I understand that these questions are just, the preliminary questions. You may have even more questions, so please comment below or please reach out to us and we would love to help you. And please stay tuned because we might be having a webinar soon to share with you more important information about PPP and how to speed up your application. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, please
like, share, and subscribe.
And we will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.